teller line and deposit your check fast using the remote deposit feature in Safe's mobile app. Here's how you do it. First, log into your Safe app. Then select Check Deposit from the bottom of your screen. Choose the account you want to make the deposit to. Enter the amount of your check and make sure the back is endorsed with the words "For mobile deposit only at Safe FCU." Snap a photo of the front of your check. And don't forget to snap one of the back of the check too. From there, you'll tap Deposit at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. It's really that easy to deposit a check anytime, anywhere in Safe's mobile app.